to the channel. Today, I have a very exciting video for my car. I know I haven't been on the channel for my car in a long time. It's basically been Andrew and James's car, but that's going to change here soon. I got a lot of mods for my car coming very soon for you guys in the videos because I want to get into modding my car. We were more focused on Andrew's anyways because we're going to H2O. So that's why we really didn't have my car. But today, I got an Evo bumper. It's the Evo X style bumper conversion kit. I got it from Racing Bees, so I'll leave the link in the description for this bumper if you want it. It looks like a pretty good quality bumper. I've never really got anything like this big from any mods, me or Andrew, so we're kind of new to this. But as I can see, it looks like pretty good quality, so we're just gonna get ready to open this bumper up, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so we got it unboxed. It looks amazing. I'm in love with the Evo front bumper. I always love the looks of the Evo front bumper. Guys, it looks amazing. Obviously I'm gonna paint it. We're gonna paint it white, and then just all the chrome and stuff, we're just gonna wrap that black. Might make it two parts of just painting and wrapping it and then putting it install in another video, how long it takes us and stuff like that. But yeah, it looks amazing, but it's getting a little late on us, so we'll show you guys clips of it and everything in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the next day, got a little late on us, and we weren't gonna do it last night anyways, but we're gonna take the front bumper off. We're just mocking it up today. I don't think we're gonna be painting it in this video. We're just gonna mock it up, see how it fits. This is the Evo style conversion kit base Lancer. So in theory it should fit mint, but we just want to be safe than sorry. We actually bought a compressor and stuff to paint this properly. So in theory the paint should look amazing and everything like that. So let's just get into taking the front bumper off, mocking it up and everything like that. Alright guys, so we took the sides off. They're all off now. So we're gonna take the stock clips off from up top. There's just 3 clips up here. You take this plastic piece off, and then in theory, and the bottom piece out of that, and then the bumper should come right off. Alright guys, so I know it's a little bit ahead. We already have the bumper on. I know the camera died and we were kind of focused anyway, so we just kind of skipped through it. We just mocked it up so far. What we had to do is we had to take this metal bar thing off the old stock bumper. It just goes along here and there's rivets in it, and so we just drilled out the rivets, and then we bought bolts. So we had to take that off and put it on the new bumper. It didn't fit the best, and we broke 2 of the clips, so we just drilled 2 new holes into the thing and then made new holes for that. And we also had to take off the things that go below the light. There's 2 brackets that go on here underneath your light to hold it in. You don't really need that anyways, but just to secure the bumper. So we did that, bought some bolts, and it's because we didn't want to do rivets again, so we just bought bolts and then drilled some new holes, and it worked fine. But the new bumper's on. The fitment is pretty good. We closed the hood, it all fits good. We pretty much just mocked it up to see if it fits, and then we're gonna get into painting and stuff like that, but we mocked it all up. It looks good. bumper looks really good. I'm really happy with the fitment. The only issue of the fitment is on the side here. Even the stock bumper had it on me and Andrew's car. They don't stick out. They just don't fit perfectly. So that's the only thing, if you're getting this bumper, that little bit might stick out on your car. But other than that, the fitment's good. And the only thing that you really have to worry about taking off the stock bumper, or the hardest part of the... Alright, so this is the inside bar thing. It's underneath into this thing. You just have to take that off, and there was little rivets that you had to undo, so we just drilled them out. And then we just put bolts in there. But that's the only hard thing with this bumper kit that I guess I should have watched videos to know that. I thought it came with that, but it didn't. That's the only hard part. And unfortunately, on my car, just because of the age, the bolt broke, so we had to just drill new holes. So that was the toughest part of this. But other than that, it's pretty smooth. And the only other thing is the liner underneath the car for just the plastic welding thing. I don't know if you can see it down there. It doesn't reach, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either just get to an extra liner from the scrapyard and then combine them. It's a little like not perfect, or I might order the Evo one and just bolt it on under there, because I don't really want a big gap for winter time. I don't want slush or anything going up in there. But other than that, fitment wise, it looks good and the quality is great. Like I said, those are the only hard things / issues that this bumper has. But other than taking this off and then the liner not fitting perfectly under there, it's perfectly good bumper, and I'm very happy with the purchase. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and also check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and if you're using anything on Motor Element, use code SBOYS for 50% off. And yeah,